they are quite integrated because there's criminals from Mpumalanga, there's criminals from Gauteng, there's criminals from Limpopo. So they planned to do a cash heist, and we have intelligence. We had intelligence, so it was an intelligence-led operation. Our intention was to arrest them before they go out to commit the crime, because this is a safe house, the second house from here. They were housed with the palm trees, so that's where they were doing all the plannings, where the planning was happening. So the police members approached the house with a view to arrest them, and in the process they shot at the police. The shooting lasted for about 90 minutes from the house they were shooting. Even the house opposite on the street has been shot. So in the engagement, 18 of them were shot dead, and one police officer has been injured very seriously. He has been taken for medical treatment. So that's how this operation was. Members of SAPS that were involved is the DPCI, various components of the DPCI, and your crime intelligence, your TRT, your special task force. They were part of this operation for quite some days.
And how long have they been tracking these criminals? Because I did hear you saying that the intention was to apprehend them before they could go out and commit those CITs.
The investigation obviously comes a long way, as far as you can say January, but the tracking was for more than 3 days, where they have been tracked. They brought a lot of firearms. Amongst them there's 16 men, 2 women, a lot of firearms, but as the crime scene experts combed the scene, we'll be able to know exactly how many firearms are there. But we have seen that there's firearms outside. I saw one guy lying with a firearm still there. So there were also primed explosive that was ready to be used, because they wanted to hit one of the cash depots in the province of Limpopo. So that's how determined they were. The house apparently belongs to a Zimbabwean that married locally, that is staying here. So those are the details.
And would you say, you're winning the war against these CITs? We have been seeing quite a lot of them happening within, this municipality as well as in the Vembe region as well.
Yeah, we still hunting those that have done the CIT and caused the roads to be closed for 10 hours in the Eastern Cape. We are on track to know who we are looking for. Soon we'll also round them off. But with this breakthrough, I think we have done a dent, and we will carry on looking for others. Also, there is a second crime scene, which is at Thohoyandou, which I forgot to say. There's a same house in Thohoyandou, which, while we're busy here, some members attended to the safe house in Thohoyandou, where we arrested 4 suspects, and also 4 vehicles were found at the scene. The plan was, whatever they have done, when they've taken cash, they'll go to the second safe house, and there they will then transport the money through to other provinces. And unfortunately, they were going to use an ambulance to transport the money.
Do you have an idea where this money was being channeled to? You talk about how they're transporting it, they're moving it out of this province to other provinces.
They will be moving it to Gauteng with an ambulance. And normally, an ambulance with red lights and sirens always is given free right of way. But that's what they use it for.
And just one last question for clarity. You spoke about 2 females and 14 males. Were they also part 16 males?
Yes.
And 2 females. So were they also part of this gang or these suspects?
That will still establish. We don't know. But they were part of the fight, the war that was coming from that house. As I said, this shooting lasted for 90 minutes. So it was a real war. So I'd like to thank the members of the SAPS for the dedication they've done. We are not without casualties, as I said. One member was seriously injured, his leg. He has been taken to theater. Currently they see what they can do. but we are very grateful that we haven't experienced casualties.
Right. Thank you so much, General Masemola.